Hello everyone, my name is David Richard from Weekly Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product review for you. We'll be diving into the features and benefits of the ThinkTool Pros. If you're someone who loves working on cars or simply enjoys the world of automotive diagnostic, then this tool is definitely worth your attention. So, without further ado, let's get started. The ThinkTool Pros is not just a diagnostic scanner. It's a comprehensive tool that provides a complete solution for all your automotive diagnostic needs. It combines the power of diagnostics with additional features like key programming, service resets, and even advanced functions like ECU coding. With the ThinkTool Pros, you'll have all the tools necessary to tackle any diagnostic or programming task. The ThinkTool Pros is a powerful diagnostic scanner designed to provide professional-level automotive diagnostics in a user-friendly package. It's packed with features that make it a must-have tool for both seasoned professionals and car enthusiasts alike. One of the standout features of this tool is its extensive vehicle coverage. It supports a wide range of car makes and models, including both domestic and foreign vehicles, making it incredibly versatile. The ThinkTool Pros offers a quick and easy connection to your vehicle through its OBDI port. Once connected, you'll have access to a wealth of diagnostic functions, from reading and clearing diagnostic trouble codes to live data streaming and component testing. This tool has it all. You can even perform advanced functions like programming, adaptations, and coding, which are typically reserved for more expensive professional-grade scanners. Navigating through the ThinkTool Pros interface is a breeze. Its user-friendly design and intuitive layout make it easy to access the various functions and features. The large, high-resolution display provides clear and detailed information, allowing you to pinpoint issues quickly and accurately. Plus, the tool receives regular updates, ensuring that you have access to the latest diagnostic capabilities and coverage. Now, let's talk about performance. The ThinkTool Pros is equipped with a powerful processor and advanced diagnostic algorithms, allowing it to quickly and accurately diagnose complex vehicle issues. Whether you're dealing with engine problems, transmission issues, ABS malfunctions, or any other system in the vehicle, this tool has you covered. The ThinkTool Pros also comes with a variety of useful accessories. It includes a durable carrying case to keep the tool protected when you're on the go, as well as a set of connectors and cables for different types of vehicles. It even has built-in Wi-Fi, so you can easily connect to the internet and access online resources, such as technical service bulletins and repair information databases. The ThinkTool Pros is a fantastic diagnostic tool that offers professional-level features and performance at an affordable price. With its extensive vehicle coverage, user-friendly interface, and powerful diagnostic capabilities, it's an invaluable asset for anyone working in the automotive industry or simply looking to take their car diagnostics to the next level. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope it was informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.